were invited by Zoetis to be involved with Alpha. Zoetis explained to us what Alpha entails. And I think Zoetis selected us for the basic reason that, well, we are very successful in poultry farming. Zoetis is trying through Alpha to position the steady availability of vaccines for the farmers in Nigeria, and that through establishing a diagnostic center which we will establish here in Ibadan.
The Alpha initiative is a partnership between Zoetis, which is the largest animal health company in the world, and the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. The Alpha initiative, which was launched in 2017 in Uganda and Nigeria, supports the smallholder farmers in sub-Saharan Africa through increasing availability of veterinary medicines and services. The Alpha partnership puts in place structures that help to identify diseases and provides intensive education to the vets and the smallholder farmers.
The poultry farmers in Nigeria face quite a lot of issues. A big one is the steady availability at steady prices of their raw materials to produce their feed. We have seen a very volatile market for the maize and the soya products, which is the majority of the raw materials to produce poultry feed. A lot of the poultry farmers don't have a good idea what is the health status of their birds. So therefore, it was a bright idea to establish a professional diagnostic center. And when the farmers then have a correct idea what is the health of their birds, then the next step is having a quality vaccine available. And that Zoetis is supplying us, and we supplying to the farmers. The Alpha initiative helps the poultry health in Nigeria by establishing the health status of the birds of the different farmers through this diagnostic center. This diagnostic center basically will give, through the screening of blood samples, birds on the respective farms of the farmers, that will give an idea what is the health status, which vaccinations are needed, what is the exact moment of revaccination, that you don't over-vaccinate. The Alpha project, in cooperation with Zoetis and Chief Farms, is indeed to the benefit of all communities, the small communities, the rural farmers, who otherwise don't have access to an affordable screening of the health of their birds, so that it will impact on the success of those smaller farmers, which will then create economical effect on the farmers who supply the raw materials in feed. That feed raw materials have to be transported. So in the whole community, in the farming community, it will have a wide spread, not only with the poultry farmers, but all the sub-suppliers to them. And that through this protein is available to all the whole population of Nigeria.